In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Samsung Crystal 4K Vista Pro 55-inch Smart TV. I bought this Smart TV in this Great Indian Sale. The box of this TV looks like this. You can see Samsung Crystal Ultra HD. You can see the model number of this TV UA55UE86AFULXL. And the price mentioned on the box is 63,900, but you can get it under 35k in this sale. Once the TV is delivered within a day or so, the installation guy from Samsung will come and install the TV. Only a single guy came for installation, so we are helping in the installation part. On the back panel you can see the model number, and the TV is made in India. Here the executive is switching on the TV by connecting the cable to the power source, and here you can see the Samsung logo. During the first boot it takes some time, and it asks you to connect your TV to your smartphone. You need to scan the QR code and connect the TV with your Gmail ID. Once you do that, you can see the welcome screen and click on let's start and select the region and choose the Wi-Fi. If you don't have Wi-Fi, enable the tethering and connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Accept the terms and conditions, click on start setup, and again you need to sign into the account to bind your Samsung TV with your Gmail account. It will show your email ID. Click on next and click on register and click on next. It will check if there is any update. If you want updates, click on now, otherwise simply click on later. Now it will give you an option to choose the voice assistant. You can choose Bixby or Alexa. I am going with Bixby. Since it's a default assistant for Samsung. Click on skip. Create the 4-digit pin for your TV and enter your pin code, and that's it. And here you can see the Samsung animation. This is how the user interface of Samsung 55-inch TV looks. This TV runs on Tizen OS, not on Google or Android. So the user interface is a little bit different. Once the technician confirms that TV is working perfectly without any defects, so he is fixing the brackets at the back for wall mount, and also he does the measurements for wall mount. He properly marks the measurements on the wall and drills the holes on the walls like this as shown in the video. After drilling the holes, he checks whether the leveling is correct or not. After the leveling is perfect, he will fix the bracket as shown in the video, and he is giving a live demo of the TV. Coming to the quality of the display of the TV is pretty good. It is on par with Samsung standards, and the audio quality is good, and size of the remote is little bit tiny to hold. The only downside for this TV is the plastic quality. The plastic quality of this TV is cheap. So that's it guys, it is a short unboxing video of Samsung Crystal 4K 55-inch Smart TV. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.